Hello everyone, how's it going? I hope all is well. Our last video was about using fair value gap to anticipate our buyers for the day, and I promised to give you some of my entry models. Basically, this video is centralized to price action traders and smart money concept traders. For you to learn everything that I do after anticipating my buyers, you need to stay tuned to the end. And if you know what you're doing trading, just adopt this idea of identifying buyers before you start planning your day or looking for your strategy on a chart. Let's write on the business. So looking at the screen, this is Euro US. First thing we do is to identify the buyers. I talk about it. I have a detailed video about it in the last video. So now let's find a very good fair value gap. We won't take much time here. Okay, we have very good, nice fair value gap here. So this is a fair value gap. Draw a line, get your Fibonacci extension tools to measure so that will help you to point out your midpoint. Then you wait for retest on the fair value gap. The next day, remember, this is a daily chart, this is a daily candle. So we have patience for the next day candle to close, so that will give us idea of what will happen next, maybe next 2-3 days to come. Beautiful. We have a retest on this fair value gap zone. It did not close beyond this midpoint, like we said in our last video. So what we are anticipating from today henceforth is that the market will continue going up. Hence, it did not close beyond this midpoint. You understand? So we are looking for buy opportunity from today, from next day upward. You understand? So that's how to do it. So let me move down to my trading time frame, like 15 minutes. That's where we find opportunity. Once we find this as a day trader, you remember we only have 4 hours in each section to trade. Each section consists of 4. If you're trading London session, you only have 4 hours after the pre-sessions. Then after the post-sessions and after the post-session after London, then we enter New York. That's another 4 hours. But we trade Forex. That's how we do it. So now we move down to 15 minutes time frame to find opportunities to trade. So look closely here. This is our retest on the fair value gap on 15 minutes time frame. So we're looking for 2 things here: price action traders and smart money concept traders. You will be learning together. I will be mentioning when price action traders need to be involved, and I'll also be mentioning when smart money concept trader needs to be involved. You understand? So retest on this fair value gap on daily time frame, which is our buyers, which we're now anticipating that the price will go up because daily candle did not close beyond the midpoint. So what are we looking for here? We're looking for market structure shift. And here is the last pullback we have on this trend. The last pullback we have is here. This is our last pullback we have. We're looking for market change structure by breaking this lower high and show us some confirmation that we told, and we continue to go up and finding opportunities. So both price action traders and smart money concept traders, you are involved in this case, so pay very good attention. Beautiful. Now market have changed structure here. For me, the first thing I do when I identify market structure shift, when market change direction, I look for 2 things. Is there any opportunity for me being involved with price action strategy or smart money concept strategy? Which one is available? So I trade every strategy, but price action and even ICT, but now we're only on smart money concept and price action. So let me still look for opportunity. Beautiful. Now for me, entering this trade with price action strategy, I found a very good trend line. This is a trend line. Remember, I'm drawing your trend line break using that as your strategy. So pay very good attention here. Drawing your trend line, which is normally called flag pattern, you need to see market creating lower highs and lower low. So once it breaks out from that very trend line, that's when you call it a flag pattern. That's when price action traders will be. So currently I find a very good trend line running down, but this is just a pullback because we know our bias is bullish. You understand? So that's why I want you to understand the impact of knowing your bias. You can use any strategy and it will work for you. It doesn't matter what you're trading, it doesn't matter the strategy you run. Just keep it simple. Now we are looking for market to break out from this trend line, which is just a flag pattern for those of you who are trading chart patterns. So let's see how the market break out from that zone. Beautiful break. You see the market have breakout from this zone. If you want to refine to have more risk to reward, you only need to use your what? You use your Fibonacci extension tools to measure this candle, then enter on this count. You understand? So here will be my entry. This is entry for price action traders. And this, so if you're trading price action, the opportunity cost for you at this point. So you place your pending order here just for you to refine to have big risk to reward. You only target 1:3 or 1:2, depends on your confidence. But if you know your bias, you only look left to see the possible areas that the market may show reaction, not rejection. It's reaction because you know your bias. So you're only looking for reactions of the candles or the price on those zones. So this is the first zone. You'll be looking for market to react, but people call it supply zone. It's a supply zone. Then here is another target. But here, for we to be conservative enough to lock profit when it's necessary to lock it, here is the first zone we'll be looking for a target to hit. So let's see how the markets kick into our order. Beautiful. Markets have picked our order. So we'll be hoping to see how it reacts. Let's see. And as we are going, remember this is 15 minutes time frame. I'll be looking for break of structures, order block, fair value gap for my entry as price action and SMC traders because I know my bias. So I'll be looking for opportunity in any strategy because I have confidence in what my bias is doing. And one thing with this is that if you understand your bias, you don't need to have doubt concerning the pullback because you know that the pullback is just minor pullback. It will not add much. Then the market will face its original direction. For those of you who don't know the value and the impact of bias in your trade, you have seen the impact here. So I want you to pay very good attention this time and like, share, follow us for more because what I'm sharing with you is what most of you pay thousands to learn, but we are sharing for free. I don't know why people don't appreciate free things. They think that free things are not value to them, which is the negative part of it. The most valuable content you ever learn. You see how the market is going. I still have confidence enough that the price is going to my direction. You understand? So let me fast forward it more to see how it goes. Beautiful. See? So no need. I don't like complicating issues. That's why I go straight to the point to show you what you need to become a profitable trader. You understand? So let's look for more days to hit our TP. As time goes, I'll be looking for my beautiful price action traders have made their first profit. You understand? So let me take this out. Remember, this is entry for price action. Where do they enter? They enter after this trend line break. Use Fibonacci extension tools to enter on discount. After entering on discount market, this is their target and market hit their take profit. And along the line, as the market is moving, smart money concept trader, this is what you'll be doing. Remember, you mark out your break of structure. Here is the first break of structure we have at this zone. Do we have any other block? And this time we don't have any at this time. Then price action traders, you still have an entry after this break because this is another breakout for you. It is an entry. Enter on this candle. It's very candle here. So I'm sharing a lot of opportunity for you, for those of you who are trading price action, because this is still a triangle. It's a triangle pattern for you guys. You draw a trend line. You see that this is a triangle for you. So here is your entry after this breakout. You measure this discount. This zone is your entry. There's no entry yet for SMC traders. So we're looking for smart money concept traders setup for we to be in the market. So let's ride on the trend. We have another good break of structure. This is another break of structure at this zone. This is our breakout. We look for this other block. Let's mark it out. Hope for market to retest this zone. Then we look for endorsement. Remember, no endorsement, no buy. We still look for endorsement to be. We just spot our order block. So markets have created endorsement. This is an endorsement. This very zone is an endorsement. Endorsement is a pullback. So if the market comes back to this zone, this very zone here, it comes back to this zone, we tested it, we're anticipating the market will go up. You understand? So this is set up for smart money concept traders. So let's look for more roll up candle to see what happens in future. Need to be patient. Need to be patient. That's one good thing I like about myself. I understand you be patient. Just one good opportunity, you are good to go for the week. No business will give you 10% or 30% in a week. It's only trading. Unless you want to be involved in illegal, and you know what is involved. If they catch you, you'll be in prison for the rest of your life. So you need to have patience to treat trading as a business. So I'm looking for opportunity only on smart money currently now. Remember what I said? This is my order block or mitigated order block. Here is my endorsement, and the market is rolling back slowly. I'll be having passion because I know my buyers. So the candle close on the day, you will do what? You will check if there's any possible over the gap or the market continue its original direction. So you only exit your trade when there is inversion and or when there is loose. Maybe you have a loose of the day, then you look for new fair value gap. If you want to know more about it, there's a video that is about buyers where we are only looking for entry models at this zone. Beautiful. So the market has hit my unmitigated order block. I have two things here. Is either I move down to lower time frame for reformation, that is refining to have big risk to reward, or I enter directly. That's how I trade. But for this video not to be too complicated for you guys to understand how we enter directly, because this is my extreme order block. We only look for reformation, flip or chart entries when we have our entry on decisional order block. But this is extreme order block, so I'm entering directly at the zone. So the only thing I'll do is that for the fact that I spot my endorsement and the very good break of structure with slow down trend moving to mitigate the other block, I will do what? I will enter directly. That's give me confidence. If this pullback is sharp or quick enough, I will look for flip entry. That is market. This is what I mean by flip entry. Then move to lower time frame to find something of this nature. Market to change character, retest any other block or fair value gap before I can be in a trade. That's what I mean by refining. But here I'm entering directly because I see this very shallow pullback. Do you understand? So take it slowly. That's why I take my time to detail things, tell you things you need to do to have confidence. So as you're watching, you'll be liking, sharing with your friends, and comment below. I like to read comments. Honestly. So I'm entering directly at this zone. This is approximately 1:3 risk to reward. It's not about trade. Do you understand? So let's see how it works. Correct. See how the market hits our take profit. Don't be carried away on what market is giving you at a particular point in time. You need to pay attention to the zones. Don't look for, I don't believe in big risk to reward. I believe in what the market gives me to take. In the sense, I've taken this profit. Remember how I win? We win in price action here. We have to set up in price action. This is the first trend line break. We won the trade. This is our target at that zone. So the trade is won. So after this triangular break, after this ascending triangle break, we have another entry. This is another entry. After this breakout, we enter on this count of the candle. Then the market push up. We have another way for price action traders. If you understand your bias, you can find entries anywhere and have confidence that those zones will perfectly hold and they will give you what you want. Smart money concept traders, this is your first entry because of what we have break of structure. Market moves up, give us very nice good endorsement, and the pullback was quite slow for we to have confidence that the market momentum was basically on bullish side. So this is a bull zone. We don't give a shit about the pullback. That's why we have confidence that this other block we hold. Exactly. So I don't know, tried my possible best to make you understand how this works. So now smart money concept traders, we are looking for break of structure because we have won a trade. If you have confidence enough, you can still hold. But for me, I have locked my profit to wait to see if the market will break off this structure, because I'm not happy with these zones. I'm not happy with these zones. They are too good. There's no clean candle for the market to fear. That's the reason why I take my profit here. I'm telling you how to trade. You can target this zone, good for you. But for me, there's no clean zone for me. There's no volume here for market to fill out. So this is the only opportunity the market gives me. And you see how perfect it hits your TP without wasting any time. Do you see any pullback here? No, because this is a clean zone, low traffic area on your chart. So let's see what happens more. Beautiful. The market pulls back once more. For you as a price action trader, your opportunity is not here because the markets have not yet shown another lower high, both price action and smart money concept trader. So you only be in this trade when market break up from this structure again. That's when you start looking for opportunities again, both smart money concept traders and price action. So pay very good attention as we roll the candle. Let's see what will happen. Still looking for opportunities. Beautiful. For those who hold it, for those who target the zone as they take profits, you see you have a drawdown. Some people might exit the trade before the market moves to the original direction. Because we know our bias, you can still hold. Now let's see if the market break out from the zone. That is called break of structure. Do you have any? Beautiful. We have a very good break of structure. Do we have opportunity here for price action traders or smart money concept trader? Yes, we have opportunity. But for me, as a price action trader, you being in this trade is good enough. Because of this breakout, you can still target your 1:2. So let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen for price action traders because of this breakout. So here's our entry. This one. If you want to refine, you can, but it's not necessary sometimes. I just give it a name from refining to get big risk to reward like ICT and smart money concept traders, because they refine to get big risk to reward. Price action traders enter directly on breakout candle. That's why they don't have big risk to reward. So let's see what will happen if price action traders we have a very good day on this breakout. This is not a very good risk to reward, but let's see if they have a winning day. Then beautiful. See, breakout traders, price action traders, they have a very good day. They win a trade here. Despite this drawdown at the zone, they have confidence. So as we have a breakout, what are we looking for? Price action traders have made their profit. Let's see if there will be opportunity for smart money concept traders. We have a break of structure. Is a break of structure. This one is a break of structure. This one here. Then we look for pullback. There's no other block. We don't have any other block. The only other block we have is here on this breakout. This breakout zone is a breakout. This is for price smart money concept trader. This is a breakout, and this is unmitigated other block. This one is unmitigated other block. Price tap into it and moves up. Do you understand? So we have endorsement. This is endorsement. This is the pullback. We have markets come back, take out this endorsement. Yes. So they want their trade. Keep on riding the trend, looking for break of structures and so on. So that's how to trade. Remember, this is very good opportunity for you to become a profitable trader. Free God give me the gift to learn and understand, and I also give for free. The only thing I would like to have from you is your like, your subscribing, your ability to share with your friend. Let's build this community together. See how we make good trades both for price action traders and smart money concept traders. You understand? So I don't like people focusing more on one strategy. So you need to have confidence on what you're doing so that you can execute many strategies. That's why I came up with this idea telling you about bias. If you calculate what we earn here, it's very good days for us for both price action and smart money concept traders. So that's where we wrap it for the day. Remember to subscribe, like, share with your friends. Catch you up in my next video. Thank you.